friends, it's Heidi. I'm so happy to see you. And now that you're here, the fun can begin. So let's start by putting our hands on our hearts, closing our eyes, and taking a deep breath in through our nose and out through our mouth like a dragon. Our breath helps us feel safe and strong inside. So now we're ready to go. We get to open a magic portal and learn something new. But we have to say the magic words to start. Let's say, my heart is open and I am ready to shine. Will you say it with me? My heart is open and I am ready to shine. It worked. Let's jump into the magic together. Stand up tall. 1, 2, 3. Jump. Oh my goodness. We made it to the magic portal. And look, the magic bag came with us. Our magic bag came along today. It knows what magic is headed our way. We'll tap 3 times and take a peek. Let's see what magic we'll learn this week. It's a picture of a group of friends. That means today we get to learn all about the magic of flamingos? No, the magic of candy? No, the magic of friends. I'm so excited, friends. I love friendship. Are you ready to learn with me? On the count of 3, let's spin into today's adventure. Stand up tall. 1, 2, 3. We made it. And now we get to learn all about the magic of friendship. Friends, this reminds me of a story that I know about a little fox named Finn. Finn was so excited for his first day of forest school. He saw lots of animals playing together. The birds were singing together, rabbits were hopping together, and squirrels were chasing each other around. I want to make a friend today too, thought Finn. First, Finn remembered that to make a new friend, you can say hello. So he walked over to a little chipmunk and said, "Hi, I'm Finn. Do you want to play with me?" The chipmunk said, "Not right now. I'm busy gathering acorns." Finn felt a little bit sad, but then he remembered that's okay. Not every friend says yes to playing right away. Then Finn walked over to a turtle playing by the pond. Finn said, "Hi, I'm Finn. Do you want to play hide and seek with me?" The turtle said, "Not right now. I'm busy playing with the lily pads in the water." Finn remembered, that's okay. Not every friend says yes to playing right away. Finn saw a bunny hopping by a tree. He said, "Hi, I'm Finn. Do you want to play hide and seek with me?" The bunny said, "Hi, I'm Rosie. I would love to play with you." They started to play, laughing as they ran through the forest. Other animals noticed the fun and joined in too, until the whole forest was filled with friends playing together. Friends, Finn learned something really magical. Not everyone will say yes to playing right away, and that's okay. Everyone likes different things, and we can always try again. But when we do find someone to play with, that's when the magic of friendship shines. Friendship fills our hearts with joy, laughter, and kindness we can share together. What was that? The magic phone is ringing. I wonder who it is. Hello? Oh, hi, Owl. You want to teach us the magic of friendship? Well, come on over, Owl. We would love to learn. Friends, Owl would like to teach us the magic of being friends. Let's call Owl over using our magic words. Owl, owl, come our way. We're here to laugh and learn today. Will you say it with me? Owl, owl, come our way. We're here to laugh and learn today. Look, Owl is here. Friends, Owl would like to play a friendship game with us. Owl is going to whisper 2 things in my ear. One of them is something a friend would do, and one of them is Owl just being silly. Our job is to figure out which one is the friendship choice. Are you ready? Owl said, share your crayons or put spaghetti on your head. Which one is the friendship choice? Yes, a friend would share their crayons, not put spaghetti on their head. Owl said, yell banana or say hello to someone new. Which one is the friendship choice? Yes, a friend would say hello to someone new, not yell banana. Owl says, invite someone to play or paint your nose purple. Which one is the friendship choice? Yes, inviting someone to play is something a friend would do, not paint their nose purple. Owl says, use kind words or eat ice cream with your toes. Which one is the friendship choice? Yes, using kind words is something a friend would do, not eating ice cream with their toes. Look, Owl says we learned the magic of friendship. Let's say bye, Owl. Let's keep the magic going. Everybody stand up tall because we're going on a friendship train. See if you can follow my moves. We're going on a friendship train, a friendship train, a friendship train. We're going on a friendship train. Here's our first stop. Everybody find a friend and give them a high five. If there's no friend nearby, give yourself a high five. Nice work, friends. All aboard the friendship train. Choo, choo. We're going on a friendship train, a friendship train, a friendship train. We're going on the friendship train. Here's our next stop. Now, find another friend and wave hello. Or if you're at home, you can wave to me. Hi, friend. All aboard the friendship train. Choo, choo. We're going on a friendship train, a friendship train, a friendship train. We're going on our friendship train. Here's our last stop. Let's do a friendship cheer. Let's put our hands on our knees and jump up and shout, we are friends. We'll do it 3 times. Are you ready? We are friends. We are friends. We are friends. Choo-choo! The friendship train is pulling into the station. Thanks for riding, friends. And thank you so much for learning all about the magic of friendship with me today. And now we get to go home and bring the magic with us. Let's say the magic words. I bring the magic wherever I go. It's time to go home and let it show. Will you say it with me? I bring the magic wherever I go. It's time to go home and let it show. It worked. Let's jump back home together. Stand up tall. 1, 2, 3. Jump. We made it home. And now our hearts are even more full of magic. And remember, friendship starts with a hello, and it adds so much magic to your life. So keep on spreading the magic of friendship wherever you go. And now it's time for us to sing our special goodbye song together. I am kind, I am strong, I am smart, I belong, I am brave, I am bright, I am love, I am light, I am kind, I am smart. I belong. I love you so much, my friends. Make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so we can play together next time. Bye!